Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. Hope you're having a great day. So if you want to know how to do this, which is show that word counter, which is a standard feature in Microsoft Word. However, you need to add it on and enable it in Google Docs. If you want to know how to do this, stay tuned in the video. So I'm going to teach you how you can do this, and it's very simple, guys. There are two ways to access this feature on Google Docs, and I'm going to show you both ways so that it is quick and easy for you to show your word count. So what you need to do is you need to press Control, Shift, and the C key, which quickly makes this text box appear so that you can choose whether to have the word counter on, and it shows you a lot of details about in characteristics and stuff about your document. Obviously press these all at the same time. It's nice to see that you can see how many pages, how many words, how many characters are in there. Another way you can find this is literally go to help and search word, and then you can get this word counter here. Which is really nice. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and be sure to stay tuned for new videos coming soon. Peace.